Welcome, seventh graders. You are on day 3 of the Rube Goldberg project. And so you can see in your design notebook, this is what you should be looking at where it says start day 3. And for today, if you weren't in class, take time to read through the introduction reading here. And we read through it in class together, and you should highlight the key parts from here that you take away from this reading. If you were in class, skip ahead just down below, and it explains here that your next step then is to watch the Bill Nye video, Bill Nye the Science Guy. And so to get the video, you click on this link here, and it's a YouTube video. And so you'll have this open in another tab. Oops. And it's about 22 minutes, so I'm not going to play it right now, but you'll take time to watch the video. And while watching the video, first thing you want to do while watching the video throughout is look for simple machines that are in there and examples of each. And so there's plenty of examples, and you may jump around back and forth. So list the examples of each simple machine or the materials that are being used for that. Once, along with doing that though, and it won't necessarily go in that order, you'll have to fill in the blank questions here. And there are 13 of them. And just follow along with the video, and of course remember that you can always pause the video to go fill in an answer and then resume it. And if you miss an answer, rewind it, and that's the beauty of doing it online, is that you can go at your own pace. So take your time, pause the video, and answer all 13 of these questions and as many examples as you can of the simple machines here by watching the Bill Nye video.